Zusari Music.
I made it quite clear.
Yeah.
That from now on today, we must change our attitudes, our mind. Our independence is meaningless unless it is linked up with the total liberation of the African continent.
If you the play, I don't care. Very soon Ghana water will be so scarce and expensive, cause we go import, It no be joke. It's you only as I see what way now fair. It's so they be now dreino. They be now signo. I say today we gotta stand and let our voice be heard. We gotta pray for the motherland against exploitation. Every day innocent lives are in danger. January to December, every gender. Let's conquer unlawful depletion to secure the future. Stop Galamsey. Stop Galamsey. Stop Galamsey now. Stop Galamsey. Stop Galamsey. Stop Galamsey. Stop Galamsey now. We gotta stop Galamsey. Have mercy on the water bodies and the lands. Make you know they take play. They no be toys. We gotta pave way for the little ones. If you think say it be irrelevant, then you be Obanje. See, beautiful river Birim, Prain and Cobra. You scatter them all with dangerous chemicals. River Densu, Insu Daboase, or make brown. It be so radical. Chale like play. Even when a farms and fish are affected. Chale know they smile, it no be joke. Day by day, Galamsey they tend to some plague. Make we bound Geshe, say no to Geshe. Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey. Say no to Geshe. Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey now. Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey. Say no to Geshe. Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey now.
We dey pray for our life, but we destroy the country. Hey, so where you go stay if you saw the future sake of you the hungry? Today, are you aware of the damages, the consequences? Generations on the way, aye, them go come face what you create. Chemicals in the river, polluting the water. You know that high cost of water treatment, Ghana go they suffer. I'm so sad. Who will take over if kids they do Galamsey? They know they go school. Yeah, and I be soon.
Hold on,
oh, it be true.
Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey. Oh, we gotta stop. Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey now. We gotta stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey. Train your man on. Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey now. Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey. Say no to Geshe. Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey now. We gotta stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey. Say no to Geshe. Stop Galamsey, stop Galamsey now. Okay, let me ask you these questions real quick. Why do you want to help foreigners destroy our lands and natural resources when they are seriously protecting theirs? What will become of our future when our children are now being dragged into Galamsey? Now, why create a mess for ourselves when other countries are seriously struggling with natural causes? Now, have you thought of what will become of our cocoa and cash crops when our farms are now being transformed into Galamsey sites? For real, if you don't know, now you know. Now the greater part of our cherished gold is now being exported out of the country illegally. Look around most parts of our country today. Our mothers, our fathers, most of them even quench their thirst with muddy water, all because of Galamsey. This is crazy. We need to put a stop to this menace. Don't create a monster for Ghana. For nye.